Hello everybody, Darren Simon here, and for today's video we're going to talk about Python. Yes, we're going to talk about Python programming. Python is a programming language, but after this I'll tell you what is Python and explain it to you thoroughly. So yes, in today's video we're going to talk about Python. Python is one of the most famous programming language right now in the world, and the most easiest actually is Python, then Java and JavaScript, or C or C++. It's just for everyone. Python is simple and easy for everyone. That's it. That is how Python works. Okay? So beyond this, we're going to talk about what is Python. Python is a high-level programming language released in 1991 by Grady Van Rossum. That's the thing. Python is just a high-level programming language that anyone can learn in any age. But no, not any age. Between the age of 9 to 11. Or even, no, sorry. For simple, you can learn to 9 to 11, but for basics higher than that, you have to be like older. Okay, so Python benefits. It's a back-end and front-end development. It's a cross-platform language, and it's an open source, open to the community, and it's a strong community base. It'll update for community updates, and a plethora of tools means a lot of tools. In Python there are a lot of tools, so fewer and simple lines of code. So you can make it into, that's what I told you, Python is easier than other languages. It only has fewer and simple lines of code. So you just have to write only one line of code. Like I'll show you that in an example later in the video. That's it. Those are the benefits of Python, because it's an easy language that the age 9 to around any age, but only 9 because 8 you really have to be high educated for doing 8 and below, or they have to do simple codes. So beyond this, we're going to talk about the Python programming examples. So after this, I'm going to talk about some examples of Python that you can learn, and yes, where you can learn Python later in the video, and where you can download it, and the IDE. So let's get into it. So guys, we're back. So we're going to talk about, and we're going to write some codes about Python, and we're going to talk about where you can learn Python from like examples from websites. So yes, first of all, I'm going to show you where you can download Python, because then only you can know how to program Python. Okay, so it's simple. You can download Python at python.org. Just Google search Python, and the first thing that comes up is python.org. Click that. Once you get this, as you see this, Python. So once you get this, you do this. You go to the downloads. You can see some of the latest releases of Python, but no, you can see where you can download Python is at all releases. There you go. You can see all their releases. So yes, personally I ask you guys to download Python 3.8. I know they released Python 3.9, but they have some problem because it's a beta version, so I recommend using Python 3.8, the second most latest. Okay, so yes, because they are still doing some updates on Python 3.9. So yes, you can just click download, and yes, so it'll download, and then you can watch that from YouTube, because I already downloaded Python 3.9, 3.8, 3.8.2. So next you want to download Visual Studio Code. You see this right there, Visual Studio Code. So once you see this, you go Google searching Visual Studio Code. Once you do that, these things will come up. Click the first one. Do not download Visual Studio. Download Visual Studio Code because it's easier. And if you're using Mac, then use Visual Studio Mac. Visual Studio for Mac, yes. Also on any OS, so yes, you can also use Mac Visual Studio Code. But if you want Visual Studio, you can do Visual Studio from Mac. But simple, you can start with Visual Studio Code. It's simpler, so you just have to download it. It'll download, in anything this if you're using. So this supports Mac only, this supports professional community. A lot of people use professional. Enterprise, no, don't use enterprise yet. So yes, once you download that, we'll come to this page. These are all my codes. So once you do this, go here. So this is debugger, source control. Yeah, here you can search for extensions like Python if you want to do Python. Once you downloaded these things, Python can run completely. Okay, so before that, if you want to do Java, you have to watch a Java course. You can download all these things for Java, or even for if you need C, C++, anything here, but you need a lot for C. So yes, Python is easier. This is all my Python codes. If you want to set up a Python, you just have to do this. You just have to click on new file. And yes, you just have to put like python.py. .py. But I already created a folder like that, so let's put python2.py. So it's already transformated to python.py. If like you want to do Java, you just have to type Java, JavaScript like that, C like that, C++ like that, C#. It doesn't work yet. And figured it out. But if you want to do like HTML, HTML, like PHP. So what we're doing is Python only, but I already created a free file that you can use. So yes, most important thing, if you want this terminal here, this is a terminal to show the thing that you typed on it, the print command. Used in Java, but it's a little bit harder, but in Python it's a little bit easier. You just have to type print, you'll do that, then you have to do bracket, and then this, and then in this bracket you can type anything you want, anything, but we're going to do the hello world command. Hello world, you can type anything. So yes, so these are the basics of Python. So once we run this on the terminal, we'll get hello world. As you see here, you get hello world on the command block. Let's say this is the simple print command most used to show things on the terminal. The next thing is defining a variable. Okay, computers are dumb, those are true, but they know how to do mathematics. So let's say we define a equals, we're defining something like a variable that a equals to 15. B, you can type anything you want, like bat equals to string 12. Doesn't need to be like a language like BLRL, can equal to anything. 5. So we're just going to define B because it's simpler. Gonna be B equals 13. But the thing is, if you want to type words like that, you have to do D equals this symbol red. So, but I'm not doing that. What I'm doing is A equal D, print D. We're gonna ask it to print D, but not in the command because it'll only print the word D, but we're only gonna print right now in the command of D. You cannot get confused with it. So you get the answer of 28 because 15 plus 13 equals 28. These are the things you learn in high school. What does A plus B equal, like X value, Y value. These are the things that you learn in your school. Okay. So once we define something, we're going to ask them like a name can equal to anything. Their name. If you want them to type in their name, you're asking questions, you have to ask input. Before that, we're going to teach you what are integers. Integers are numbers, but without decimal places. You just have to type int. I'll tell you where if you want to ask. str for string. String is for word or letter, anything. And also float. Float is for decimal places and numbers. See, it'll come in green color. So once we do this, we're going to make name equal. So the name you ask question, that we're going to put str string for the typing in it words. Input, you're asking the question, another bracket inside the input, then this, then you're gonna ask what is your typing in your name. Once they type in their name, just gonna leave 3 spaces, and we're gonna enter this, and we're gonna run it. Sorry guys if it's loud, please forgive me. Please forgive me, it's loud. Maybe it's loud for you guys. You hear some cars going, so please forgive me. But I'm trying my best to teach you. So yes, let's go. You enter name and it quits automatically because there's no other command after that. Because now we're gonna do print. We're gonna print welcome Major. I like to call the word Major, but we're not going to do welcome Major. Major. Welcome Major. Then put the name there. So whatever name they type, it'll come here. Like say, for example, say I type my name as the YouTube channel name. Welcome Major Darren. It does the same command. Isn't it fun? And it's simple. I told you guys. It's a simple line of code. You need that's not 2 lines of code actually. It's just like 3 lines, fewer lines. Okay, it's simple. Next, asking questions. I know it's silent. Okay. What questions? Like I ask you, what is 5 plus 5? So what we do, we can also define it like here. Q will equal to 7. Q will equal to 10 because we can ask what's 5 plus 5. For numbers, we don't need to do that because when they type in numbers, you're defining they have to type in numbers, but you're typing it in words when you put that symbol there. When I put the name equals anything, yes. If you want to put Q equal to anything, like Q equal to dog, you have to put that symbol. Like R equal to dog. Simple. See? But we're gonna ask a question with Q. So we're gonna ask integer. Now we're gonna ask them integers. Now we can also type float because float covers everything. Float input. Now these are the things after this. I'm gonna teach you difficult ones, so you have to learn and listen carefully. What is 5 plus 5? So once they type the answer, we have to put if. It's like if Q does not equal symbol looks like this, because you can't put like does not equal. The does not equal symbol is an exclamation mark and an equal together. But if you want to put equals to, you have to do this. If that answer equals to this, then it'll print down there. So if the answer equals to 10, so if Q does not equal to 10, okay, remember, if the answer does not equal to 10, print wrong answer because you're telling the answer does not equal. So below that we can type else. Else, if the answer equals to that, we can type print correct answer. So now we're gonna run the program and see if it works. So my name is D. So they're asking what is 5 plus. Oh, no, I made typing error. Sorry, please forgive me. What is 5 plus 5? It went to 17. So, what is 5 plus 5? Let's see if I type 10 correctly. Correct answer. And say if I type the wrong answer. Let's say if I type 12, wrong answer. That's how it works. That simple it is. But if you want to loop a question, this is what you do. While. I think, yes, this is what you do. While Q does not equal to. Okay, the while, I'll show you examples of while later in the video. Don't need to learn everything together now. So like this, you can ask any other questions. You can just program your own questions. So after this, those are the simple things you have to understand if you want to program a question or quiz with Python, defining a variable. And you tell me guys what you learned in the comments below. And comment that what did you learn in today's video. Doesn't matter whatever comment. Just comment on whatever we did. Okay? So now, after this, we're going to save our project. You can pause the video and see what commands I did. You can type it there and learn, or you can watch the video. We're going to save all this and we're going to go to our bank. I did a bank, guys, so yes. So it's all the while questions. See, if the while the password does not equal to Simon, say invalid password. So it loop the question over and over again until you get the answer. That's the thing. So here is all the bank. We looped if else. Told you guys, if else is so important in a bank. So once we run our bank and say what is the password, let's say if we type the wrong password, let's say that wrong invalid password, what is the password? And let's say if I type the correct password there, if I typing error and then do it again correct password. What is your name? My name is DS. Welcome DS. This is my bank. See, I told you the same command that I did here also. This is my bank. Type only numbers. How old are you? I won't tell you how old I am. So let's just say I wouldn't tell you guys how old I am. I'll just put that I'm 190 years old. No, I'm 1 year old. I'm just one. Warning, you must be 17 and above to access your account. If not, you must have parents or guardian guidance. Oh no, I'm a child. I need parents or guardians guidance, but there's no one here. Ugh. Okay, what's the pin? Yes, these are for adults, so yeah. So you can access the account. 12098. Wrong pin. What's the pin? 1408 is the pin. Sorry. Okay, let's just say I type the wrong pin again. 1408 is the pin. Okay. Yeah, I've accessed your account, yes. That is only deposits. Do you want to deposit? Yes. How much do you want to deposit? I have 1,500 in my bank account. Okay, let's just put like I want to put $126. Hey, I got a lot. Notice your maximum withdrawal limit is 500. Okay, I can buy 500. What are you talking about? You put 3,000. Oh shit. You can withdraw more than 500. Oh man. You get another chance? Yes, I do want another chance. But this time I'm gonna follow the rules. 2, 3, 4. Hey, I got 1,392 in my bank. There you go. So this is how you program a bank. As you see, it is simple to program a bank. For looping questions, you use while. As you see. Here, as you see, I did a color. These are the colors. These are commands for colors. As you see. You can type in the comment, pause the video and type in the comment. the thing is, okay, so yeah, I forgot to teach you guys one more thing. Yes, Python, yes. So we need import things, like import command we have to do at the top. Here you want to do import command, we have to do it in the top. Like import random. Import random means it'll follow what you type. Okay, now I'm going to do import. Do not worry about the other symbol, guys. It's just a part of learning, because it didn't say correct. So import colorama, and you can also, from time you can import sleep like that. And import sleep. So for the colorama command, what you have to do is wait for a second. Let me see. Yes, the bank remastered. Do not follow the pip when the colorama. There are also shortcuts. That time I didn't have. I had to use pip when the colorama. Okay, so no need the pip when the colorama. Just need colorama. That's it. Those are like simple commands that I use also. So we have some maths tests, like maths. Simple mathematic test. What's my name? 1, 2, 5, correct? 12, wrong. 42, I think. No, so I said 0.06. These are where the decimal float comes out. 2. The n. For extra knowledge, yes, the grand total is that much for maths. And we have some Tetris that I wrote so long. It took me so long to write these guys, but I didn't write it. I actually took it from the internet. I learned some, but at least I typed it, guys. Look at how many lines is that? 272, man. You can see these are the commands, like see simple of it. And we're gonna run it and we can play some Tetris, you see? We're playing some Tetris, guys. I'm not doing some applications, I'm playing Tetris. The real Tetris. How fun is that? Now you like Python, guys? I love Python. Okay, so yeah, not to get too addicted, I just want to break a line. Think I can do it now. Oh shit! Ah! No! No, that was an accident. No, I lost it. Guys, I just want to play one block. I just want to play this ready to finish. Just want to break one block. Come on. You can do it. Where's the block? Where's the block? Oh no. I'm bad at Tetris. Oh shoot. Oh, that was close. Ah yes, finally guys, I break one. Okay, let's quit. Let's say if we fail the game, you just have to do this. And we exit the game. Spacebar for new game, quit for escape. Yeah, that's simple. So yes, these are the codes that I did. There are so many games to talk about that I did, but I think it's enough for you guys today. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys understand my teaching and understand my perception of Python, that Python is easy and fun to learn for everyone. So guys, I hope you guys learned a lot in this video. So yes, I'll see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And okay. See you guys in another video and bye.